Hello everybody, I'm Ed Jager from MegaPoint in the Netherlands. I want to introduce to you a new vacuum drill for pedicure and manicure. This beautiful drill has a detachable handpiece. It's very convenient for maintenance and so on. It's a very easy way to change the drills. You click this handpiece, take the burr out, put the other burr inside. And you turn again until it says click and it's ready to run. The machine is very easy to instruct. You put the main switches are both on from, this is from the vacuum, this is from the drill itself. First you put this one on, and you put this one on, then you have the main switch to arrange the speed of the vacuum. It starts already at the acceptable level. The suck from the drill is very good. If it's not enough for you, then you just put the switch a little bit more, and then the suction will be really like 3-4 times more. But in main things, it's not. This is the left and right switch. This is the knob to arrange the speed. The speed is from 0 between 40,000 RPM. It's a very convenient machine to do all kinds of treatments, ingrowing nail, hard skin, everything what you can image in your pedicure salon or pedicure doctor place. The machine will do whatever you want. I also want to show you the part where the vacuum part is. Here is the little dust bag. You can easily take off and switch for a new one. Just do like this. No need to put knobs. Very easy and very convenient and a very payable machine. Thank you.